Going to smooth mode, and let's now add tension to sharpen the edges of our model and to fill this hole. So going to box mode and double click this edge. I'm going to right click and select insert edge and moving our slider. So I'm going to key in negative 0.05 and hit OK. Going back to smooth mode to inspect. Going to front view. So if you want to add further tension, you can always double click this edge. I'm going to go to box mode, select edit form, and move our edge closer. Hitting OK and inspecting the sharpness of our corner. So now I can double click this edge, going to back view. Now in box mode, I'd like our vertex to be positioned inside, going in here. So I'm gonna reselect this vertex, right click, edit form. And because we are in symmetry mode, I'm gonna move this one up to here, hitting OK. And once more reselecting our edges by double clicking, right click, edit form, and selecting this handle. I'm going to hit Control and Alt, selecting this handle and drag. Next, release and hitting Control Alt once more and keying in 0 on this dialog. Hitting enter. Inspecting our model and going to smooth mode. Turning off the visibility of our canvas. Going to back view and inspecting. So model looking good. Now before we go to finish form, let's add an additional detail at the back of our frame. Gonna go to box mode, control left click this faces, right click, selecting edit form. Gonna go to local coordinate space, going to front view, rotating and selecting this handle. I'm gonna hold Alt to add an additional face and hitting OK. So inspecting our line is not fully aligned. So what I can do, I can go back to edit form, go to selection and filter, selecting vertex and coordinate space to world space, selecting these vertices, control left click this one and this one, going to right view. I'm gonna grab our vertical scale handle. So this one for vertical. And key in 0. Next, going to grab our horizontal scale handle and move this one down. I'm gonna key in 0. And inspecting. So looking good. Selecting these edges. Going to front view, right click, selecting edit form, going to edge mode, selecting this one, and dragging this to the right. Hitting OK, and going back to smooth mode. So model looks better. And now I can hit finish form. I'm gonna turn off the visibility of our canvas. And our reference body 9. Awesome.